All right, number 7, the Eiffel Tower in Paris is 986 feet tall. The function y equals negative 16t squared plus 986 models the height, which is y, in feet, over t seconds after it's dropped from the top of the tower. First part is how many seconds will the object hit the ground? Round your answer to the nearest tenth. So in this case, we know that we're trying to find seconds, which means that we have the height, which once it hits the ground, the height's going to be 0. So if 0 equals negative 16 t squared plus 986. Now I have two options here. Usually we do quadratic formula for this, but we also have a bx in the middle there, which allows us to solve it that way. We also, in this case, can use solving by the square root method, which we can subtract 986 on both sides. We're left with negative 986 equals negative 16t squared. Then we divide by the negative 16. We go to the calculator. We got, get out of there. Negative 986 divided by negative 16 is going to give us 61.625 equals t squared. And again, we haven't solved for t, we solved for t squared. So to do that, we take the square root of both sides, back to the calculator, 61.625, and we're going to get plus or minus 7.85 seconds, but we don't want to go back in time, so our answer is just going to be 7.85 seconds. Now, we're not done with this problem. There's a part B that says, what is the height of the object 5 seconds after it's dropped from the Eiffel Tower? Well, since we know now that the time is 5 seconds, t represents seconds, we're going to have y equals negative 16, 5 squared plus 986. We go right to our calculator, negative 16, 5 squared plus 986, and we get the height, or y, equals 586 feet. So after 5 seconds, it will be 586 feet off the ground.